how to make a digital planner for beginners. So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for this video and for today I will be teaching you a step-by-step process on how to create your very own digital planner. So with no further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is to go to your Canva application or to your Canva website here. And if you have an account, then you could go to that. And if you do not have, you could actually sign up for free. So what you want to do is you could actually search in here your, let's say, weekly planner here. All the weekly planner ideas will be here. But for today, I will teach you how to create your very own weekly planner from scratch. Let's create design. You could customize the size for your planner, or we could just go with the poster. So here you can see I just went with the poster. So we will now design this one. So what you want to do is you may want to have an idea on what type of planner you want to have, or what design, or what are the themes that you would like to do. So let's say I want to go with the sunny pastel color. So let's just say this yellow or this greenish. So let's just use this one. And now is we're going to decorate our planner. So let's say flower. Here you will see different flowers. Let's say this one. When I use this, just copy and paste this one to the next, and you will have your design. So for the text, let's say weekly planner, there are already pre-designed text for you here. But if you want to really customize your own, you could go here to the add a heading, and you could adjust your font that you want to use. But for me, I want to go with something like, sorry, I'm just being really choosy on the font here. So let's say this one. I'm gonna use this, and let's say planner, say weekly planner. Let's just delete this one. Then adjust the size for this. So let's say let's put it, no, never mind, let's not use that one. So let's say I want to use this one, and then let's say weekly planner here, and then just put it here and change the font. So let's say I want to go with something like cursive. You could do that, choose here, say this one, and then put it on bold, and then basically you could resize that. Say I want to use 30, and weekly planner. So the next thing that you want to do is to create a square. Let's say a square here, copy and paste. So all you have to do is copy paste, control C, control V, this one here, and here we will put the text that says, let's say Monday. Just resize it to 42, and then copy and paste. So we will change this to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the thing about digital planner actually is it's not just the normal planner that we will create or we commonly use. So it's kind of digital. For example, if you click on Monday, it will direct you to the page for Monday. And let's say there's a list for your to-do list, your schedule, and reminder for Monday, for Tuesday, and so on and so forth. And basically that's it. So let's say Thursday here. So now we have it here, our weekly planner. So what you want to do next is to add a page. And let's say you want to add a square here. And you will design, for example, what are the to-do list, the schedule, and reminder for Monday. So let's say let's add text here that says Monday, and could actually change the color for that. Let's say if you want to use that one, or pink, or some color that you want to go with, you could actually go and play around the colors here. There are also pre-made colors here. So let's say I want to use black for today and just change the font here. So let's say this one, and then resize this to 45 there, and you could actually add a text that says the date for Monday, the date here, and then I want to use this one, then resize it, say 20, resize this to 20 here, And then either you want to put it here or here. Let's say I just want to put it here. And then we could add a line here. Let's say I want to use this line. Alright, let's just go with the free Canva. So here you can change the color to white if you want. Then basically you could input your date here. So the next thing that what you want to do is to put the parts where you could input your to-do list, your schedule, and your reminder. So let's go back here and let's just say let's add this one and put this into rectangle type, and let's say copy and paste here, and you could input your to-do list here, and this is for the reminder or for your notes. And then your schedule, let's say you want to put your reminder, and then you could put your schedule here. And basically you could manipulate anything. You could add a note for your Monday and so on and so forth. And if you're still not satisfied with this, let's say you want to add a flower, then go with the design, just play around it actually. Flower here, you could add this flowers here, or let's just say you want to add the same flowers. Let's say we want to use the same flowers, then copy and paste. And then for that is for Monday, so you could actually name this for Monday, and you could duplicate this page, and let's say you want to use for Tuesday and rename this with Tuesday. Just do the same thing for Wednesday and so on and so forth. Just do the same thing and go back to your first page. Now what you want to do next is to group Monday and the square with it. So here you will see 3 dots. So you will see here group. Now that is already considered as group here, then group this, then basically group each and every box here so that we could hyperlink it. Now the thing about hyperlink is when we click this box, it will redirect you to the page where it is actually linked. So let's say this one, you will see these 3 dash lines and you will see this link here, this icon. And if you click on this, you could actually click on the page where you want to put it or like to redirect it. For example, for Monday, we want to choose the Monday planner for this. So now it is assigned to Monday. So once we click on Monday, it will direct you here on Monday. Now let's do it with Tuesday, then it will redirect you to Tuesday. And for Wednesday, it will redirect you to Wednesday. And basically all you have to do is to do that thing over and over again. And here you will see share, then download this, and to download this to PDF. Here you will see PDF, then download. Now wait for it to be downloaded. And now you have your own digital planner. And always remember you have to download it using the PDF standard for the interlink to function. And that is how you make digital planner for beginners. And that was all for today. Now you know how to make a digital planner for beginners. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may assist them as well. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.